idea for your dub plate pan Jaro sound. Some boy, let me tell you this straight. Jaro, we kill you. How much money you make off of that killer? How much of them is your idea for your make money? See? Give thanks and praise to Mataran, because Mataran make you have enough food. You eat him like a dose of poison. But when you go in your vehicle, man, and drive and you lie down in your bed, you will still remember in your back of it, say, Chupa, they give you one song for make you make a money. And Mataran make you make money too. See? I'm telling you, boy. Understand yourself, man. Come then I go here, so with you, no boy. I never call you, you come call dirty Chupa. Hey, boy, anytime you see me, I'm ever clean. You ever hear me pop down or look like me a suffer or nothing? Eh? Killer me a hunger artist in our business. Me no beg artist nothing. Me no beg artist nothing. I years me no go America and my things still stand up. A hot car me a drive a Jamaica. Saying my sound hot at Jamaica. I'm a book. I'm a hungry killer. Saying you can't see me pop down killer. Me no make no girl come sit down on my face like oh you do it killer. That's you reach a stage where you get tongue god by your name as a gangster artist. Eh? Everybody on your mouth. You know the credibility you come chat to you to over thing up there in killer. Eh? You all a fish son for show you how Ja just know say you're not right. Ja beat you with a fish son, give a fish son for make you go so boom and just yo leave people alone. Cause you can't cuss somebody about fish. Cause you have one big fish son and you have one big fish husband where every time you come out and say something, saying your son have a big fish husband, your son have a big fish husband. As you come out and say something, your son husband are defend him. Eh? Killer, leave me alone in the car. Killer, I have your file, you know. You know why I'm go down the road, you know, killer. I have your file. You know me have your file, you know, killer. You know why I'm go down the road there. You better you just calm and stop, little boy. Little boy, stop. Everybody you try bad up in IB. You can't bad me up, killer. Killer, I'm telling you something. You're not going to get the next hit, you know. You're not going to get the next hit, killer. You're not going to get the next hit. If killer get the next hit to blood clam, like my sound show come on in my sound in there. You now get the next hit killer. That was it. Killer you just a next man in a music. Like oh me's a next man in a music. Where me go so boom highlight in a my career pass already. For your pass. For your highlight pass too. So you just did it, you just make some song and people just people did respect you and a lot of people respect you. But that was then. I didn't look at you, them Joshy and them you they are running the place right now. And that for them time killer. Saying, you're a bitter old man killer. A man killing a one clash. 20 odd years ago. And you bring belly for the man same way killer. You bring belly for the man who dead and gone. One clash. Eh? To you, my youth. Yo, tell us something, man. Never me trouble killer, you know. Killer trouble me, so I'm talk, you know. I never trouble killer, you know. I never call killer name. I show me subliminal and so me I say. I never call bounty name. Him come call me name. So some boy if you know say, you see when man have them file a man things straight a man know say, in a for them life, them boy when me help, stop make a disrespect catch him, saying, hey boy, you forgot some bum and us low man boy and stop shot killer. Killer me a hunger selector in our business, you know. When me thing never drop. Saying, I one time I rate you, boy. I rate you one time because you move like how me move, the gangster thing that we don't mix up and rare. But me find out say you're punk. Every day I find out say you're one big punk. Not know where you talk, killer. Over the years and defend, you come back and come kick over blood clot all them peel like when cow kick over milk. Saying, it's a disgrace. Everybody you eat, everybody you have up. Saying, so what? I'm gonna tell you something. Hey boy, you see you can shut off your mouth about mercies are junkie. And you pies are merciless. And you pies are merciless. Because weeks before and I go down, him come a bounty Sunday and stand up and I drink with you. So you throw something that you only can pies them. Eh? I make him go dead after. Okay. All that sound when me say that, eh? You hear the accusation when me just say? Say you pies are merciless. Ah. Oh, we don't know say you pies the youth and throw something and drink. Because you laugh with the youth and talk with him and you have him up. So you could have hurt him. And you can't hurt him too. Come on, can't trust Uno. Because you know leg or nothing killer. Yo. I come chat about you a junkie. So if him not junkie, him that drink and him that live, but as him come round you and come about the Sunday, come drink. Say him not even live 1 week after him dead. So now you kill him. So poor me for say that. A boy killer understand yourself. You see me? People, I'm done with him you know. Killer, you see you? Trot straight here and leave me alone, killer. Leave me alone. Your boy, a long time, you want get a victory over me, you know. Years you have, you see like, oh, you have up merciless for years. And years you have me up to, you know. Because you can't kill me in a dance. You do everything to kill me in a dance and it can't happen. And you come shut off your mouth about dirty chopper and scatter them. Oh, vice don't plate and a fight you. Eh? But you know, vice don't plate for me for fight merciless. I'm gonna play them under this merciless. Oh, you not say nothing about that dog shit. Eh? Your vice 4 song, I'm play them up to 2 them, you play them. Every day you come chat about, I want you don't play. You tell the people, I'm say, killer. You come chat off your mouth, but who know how much don't plate, man, with you? Eh? Killer, I never buck up no sound in a dance set and then run me out a bounty killer. The last time me go some women in a dance go play bounty for bounty. And me Black Cat and base at this year New York in a Bronx. I want me start dump bounty. Ask Dillinger for lie me I tell. When me play certain killer, see Dillinger come back to Jamaica, come vice some of them. So look a pussy I come shut off for no more about killer. See? And my favorite DJ. See? But killer, you know no song when me no want. I have all of your bad song, them killer. I have all of your bad blood clot song, them. I have everyone killer. See? Killer, calm yourself, man. Or sit down, man. You just bitter. You see me? Lord, me make my full joy my old age. Lord, me make my full joy my old age. Me a 50 odd killer. I'm a good. See? My daughter, them a give me grand picnic and them something and I love me grand picnic them and me a full joy in my life. Me and my grand picnic them, you know, whole a joy and them something and me little get me just a full joy in my life. See? So me I say, me just a full joy in my lifestyle, I'm ready. Me just go take a little drive out and full joy. Me just killer, I'm a happy killer. I'm not bitter. Me no bitter killer. I'm happy. I'm happy. See? For sure you all my happy people. What do you mean I see all the video on social media? You know? My little son Freddy from Jara said something about me and them something there. Only hear me answer it? No, me not go answer that. See? Because you see my legacy, my Kilimanjaro legacy, make it stay as it is. Make it stay. Me can grow on a sound anytime and play. Me every other artist in our business good. See? So me answer me good. I remember some boom and showed Vegas. Me just showed Vegas show. Me just showed Vegas. Me not eat Vegas. But me eat Vegas for. Eh? Me not eat no youth in a music. Because me never make music. Me come see music. And music accept me. And give me a piece of it. And me take the piece. And me go so boom. And me I go leave that something here. And when me dead music I go and see away. See? Music I go and see away. You think my own music? Me just come take my slice and God was good to me and then give me a piece of music. I'm done with that now. Me in my old age. Saying? Man I have time for no argument with no man and rare. Saying? You killer. Look at me. Killer. Show up at this. Come young bum. Look at the 57-year-old killer. And you're young and you're old. You're stressed. You not sleep good at night time. See, you have heartist problem. You have ear problem with your son. You have tonguing problem because them teeth your girl, a girl teeth for your woman with her tongue. See, but learn some tongue trick, man. Youth. But look for the brother when me see them interview there when me say him are the great eater from Jamaica where the Blue movie. But look for him and make him teach your killer. See, because you're real that. And see if you can get back with woman. Because your life sad. Paper, I'm out. Bless upon yourself. Yes, sir. See? I am out star. Killer.